Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, in this video, we will show you how to design your dream floor tiles that will elevate your space and reflect your personal style. From sleek and modern to rustic and traditional, we will explore the latest trends and styles to help you make an informed decision. Whether you are renovating your kitchen, bathroom, or living room, our expert tips and inspiration will guide you through the process of choosing the perfect floor tiles for your dream home. Floor tiles are more than just a functional element. They are a canvas for your creativity. From classic ceramics to trendy vinyl, the options are endless. Think colors, patterns, and textures that reflect your style. Want something bold? Consider geometric patterns or vibrant colors that make a statement. Prefer a more subtle look? Opt for a natural stone or muted tones that offer a serene vibe. Mix and match different tile styles for a unique personalized design. How about a beautiful mosaic in the entryway or a chic herringbone pattern in the kitchen? The possibilities are truly limitless. And don't forget about the layout. Whether it's a straight set, diagonal, or even a custom design, the layout can dramatically change the feel of your space. So, what are you waiting for? Start envisioning your dream floor tiles today. Your perfect design is just a few choices away. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started on this existing journey of floor tile design ideas. Dear viewers, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring design ideas. Thank you.